Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Darren, or Dream Disturber on all social media. Today we are out here at Houmas House, and I am shooting some video for you using an Insta360 X3 360-degree camera with an extended selfie stick, and we are going to get some magical drone-like effect video for you. This is the path that you would take if you left a tour and head straight on to the Oriental Garden area. I don't think I've shown you this part of the grounds before, at least not in this particular way. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is a beautiful day today, and I got a little break in between tours, so here we are. So I don't want my channel to become a Houmas House vlog. I get it, that's what we're doing a lot of lately. I appreciate all you guys so much for sticking with me and watching all the videos. I will be out exploring in the real world soon. It's just that I've been working a lot, we're always here. And I am very lucky to work in a beautiful place where I can create random content for you. No one seems to care what I do here, so it really works out. My main goal right now is actually getting my watch time hours up. So it helps a lot if you do watch this whole video. Ouch, we just ran into a tree. That's okay though. Anyway, sure, watch this whole thing, share it, subscribe of course. And if you have any other ideas or places you want me to see or go to, leave me a comment. I am open to suggestions. We've got a few ideas in mind. I will keep them as surprises for you though. We can see the amphitheater up ahead. That probably would have looked amazing in this style of video, but we're going to go ahead and turn around here and I'll show you the waterfall instead. I'll come back and do the amphitheater another day. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, let me know in the comments. I could easily do more like this. Also, I will place a video in the end section sort of similar to this one, so if you enjoyed it, you'll like the other one as well, so give it a whirl. I love you guys so much, and I'm going to be seeing you very soon on another video, of course. And here is our waterfall, guys. Thank you so much, and we will be back next week.